In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do flat rate shipping on Shopify. We're going to set up a simple, predictable shipping cost that your customers will see at checkout. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and settings. Once you're in, look to the lower left corner and open settings. From there, choose shipping and delivery. This page controls how shipping is calculated and displayed to your customers, and it's where we'll create the flat rate. Next, under the shipping section, click General Shipping Rates. This area holds your default shipping profile, which most stores use for all products, unless you've created custom profiles. Inside this page, you'll see your existing shipping zones. These are groups of countries or regions that share the same rates. Find the shipping zone where you want the flat rate to apply and click Add Rate. If you sell to multiple regions, you'll add the rate separately within each zone you want to cover. Adding the rate inside the correct zone ensures customers in that location see the flat fee you intend. When prompted to choose a rate type, select Flat Rate. A flat rate is a single fixed shipping charge no matter the order size or weight. It's great for keeping costs predictable at checkout and reducing cart abandonment caused by surprise shipping fees. Now enter a rate name, keep it clear and customer friendly like standard shipping or flat rate shipping. You can include a delivery window in the name such as standard shipping, 3-5 business days, to set expectations up front. Consistent naming helps customers understand the difference if you ever add faster options later. Enter the price for this flat rate. Pick a number that covers your average shipping cost with a small buffer for packaging and carrier fluctuations. If you ship heavier items or to distant regions within the same zone, consider a price that still keeps you profitable while staying simple for the customer. Transparency is key. Customers appreciate knowing what they'll pay. When you're happy with the name and price, click Done, and then click Save at the top of the page. Saving applies the change to your store so the flat rate appears at checkout for the chosen zone. You should now see the new rate listed under that zone, confirming it's active. That's it. You've created a flat rate shipping option in Shopify, clear, consistent, and easy for your customers to understand.